Welcome back. Yeah, foggy morning here in Sacramento on the 7th of June. Yeah, it's a little bit odd, but you know, it's been kind of a weird spring and you're heading towards summer anyways. Welcome back to Good Day 722 now. Sacramento's budget and the quest for a new arena are pretty hot topics right now.
Sacramento Mayor Kevin Johnson joins us now with how he sees things working out. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Thanks for being here.
Good morning. I'm glad you're hanging with us in Sacramento.
I'm going to be hanging with you quite a bit in Sacramento, sir. That's why I'm going to come knocking on your door to come tell you what I'm doing.
We just got to make sure you're a city resident, and I'm good with that.
I shall be very soon. Very, very soon.
Awesome.
Well, let's start with tonight's city council meeting. You've got some pretty heavy issues on the table regarding budget cuts for the city.
Yeah, we have some tough choices before us. Over the last 4 years, we've cut $200 million from our general fund, and now we're at the nitty-gritty and have to make the final decisions on 3 really important departments: police, fire, and parks. We're going to do everything that we can to preserve public safety. We're going to do everything that we can to make sure our parks and our youth programs have something there for our kids to do. So it's going to be a tough conversation tonight, but I think council's ready to unite behind good, practical, common sense choices.
And how do you decide what those are? I mean, you know, we were just talking. You said how crime numbers appear to be down, but you know,
finally,
money's money.
Across the country,
it only goes so far.
Yeah, it's trending down, but what we were terrified of, it will start trending upward in Sacramento if we go below a certain threshold, especially with sworn officers. So we're going to have a discussion. I'm hoping that the city manager's office and our finance director have found pots of dollars that maybe weren't allocated that we could allocate toward one of these 3 departments. But again, we're going to have to face the brutal facts and make tough decisions tonight.
It was nice seeing you at the Pride Parade on Saturday, you and Michelle. I got to ask you about the Kings, where we stand on the arena. What's the latest with Here We Build?
We're making great progress. You know, first of all, they stayed in Sacramento, which is huge.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, we love that.
Corporate suites and ticket renewals are on track for the 2011-2012 season, which means our fans are excited and saying we're going to support the Kings. We're going to take the next 100 days. We created a regional coalition with business, labor, our regional leaders, civic organizations, and we're going to figure out how to pay for this darn thing. We know where it's going. We know how much it's going to cost, and now we have to just figure out that last question is how will we pay for it, and we feel we have the right people in place to make that happen.
Awesome.
Are you watching the finals right now?
Absolutely.
Hoping that the finals take place here, maybe
down the road.
Who are you rooting for?
As soon as we build that arena, it'll happen in Sacramento.
Who are you rooting for?
You know, believe it or not, I have a soft spot in my heart for Jason Kidd and Dallas and Dirk, but I think Miami's going to win it.
Yeah.
Do you know, the more I watch it, the more you realize that last game, at least, that was really Dwayne Wade versus Dirk, and to a certain extent, LeBron was just standing around watching it, and Bosch also came alive. But I'm with you. I root for Dallas. They've not won before, and everybody seems to like Miami, so I'm for Dallas.
Yeah, but we're one of the 3 cities. You got Miami, Dallas, Sacramento. We feel like we're in the playoffs with our arena efforts here in Sacramento, so we're having a good off season. Let me put it that way.
You know, and back to the arena just for a second. You know, you mentioned the regional coalition, but some of the other cities and governments around the other counties haven't really say, yeah, we see the great benefit for Sacramento. We don't really want to be on the hook to help pay for that.
That's not been the case. I've had 4 regional meetings, and we've had 6 counties, 22 cities represented. They are all very open-minded. We got a letter of support from Rockland and Roseville already saying that we want to support and be part of the solution. Now, the big question is, what is this regional asset and what are the shared benefits, which is what you're getting at. We're going to take 100 days and start, you know, diving a little bit deeper in those issues, but our regional support has been very, very helpful at this point.
Good. All right. Nice to see you as always. Sacramento Mayor Kevin Johnson.
Thank you.
Thanks
Thanks
very much. Well, we'll have a look at the day's top stories coming up right after the break.